Today, we're going to be installing the AWE Tuning Touring Catback along with their black diamond tips. It's going to sound awesome. What's up, my Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, back down at RSA Race Solutions here in Boynton Beach, Florida with the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway Car. Today, we're going to be installing the AWE Tuning Touring Catback along with their black diamond tips. It's going to sound awesome. Now remember, head on over to lethalperformance.com today to gain your entries to win this car. 2022 Mustang GT in carbonized gray metallic along with a 10-speed auto. This car is going to be built up with all the goodies, including that AWE Catback system. Every dollar that you spend here at lethalperformance.com, whether it be on aftermarket parts and accessories or our swag, gains you an entry to win the car. So head on over to lethalperformance.com today for all the official rules and details of our giveaway and gain your entries. Let's do it. Blow pops, dude, for the win. If I can remember how to open these things up. Here we go. And here it is, guys, the AWE Touring Catback exhaust system for the 15 and up Mustang GT that's going on the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway Car. Check this stuff out, guys. This is nice T304 stainless steel system that's going to bolt directly onto this car with no cutting or welding required. Really nice stuff. As you can see here, they've got some resonators on those lead pipes there. Now, since this is AWE's touring system, it comes with their 360 technology mufflers along with these bullet style resonators. That's going to keep the sound in check. You're not going to have any drone with this system, and it's going to sound awesome. So we've also got their nice diamond black coated tips here. This is a quad tip setup. Come on, get out. There we go. Gotcha out of there. Look at this. Really nice coated tips. That black diamond coating is going to look awesome on the car. This stuff is really nice quality. Does not flake. You're not going to see any paint peeling off this or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. Come on, Shane. Let's do it.
First things first, we got to take off the OEM exhaust. As you can see, Shane's applying a little bit of lube to help the rubber slide more easily on the hanger. The stock exhaust is going to come off in one piece from the cat's back. However, you definitely do want to make sure that you have a second hand or enough strength to muscle this thing down. Also, if you have an active exhaust, remember to disconnect your harnesses. Now with the stock exhaust off, we can go ahead and get started with the install of the AWE exhaust. First thing, we're going to transfer over the stock hangers that Shane unbolted from the car. We're going to go ahead and start with the front and move our way back to the tailpipe, starting off with AWE's H-pipe. Now before we install the clamps that AWE includes with the exhaust, we're going to go ahead and apply a little bit of anti-seize. Now with the mid-pipes installed, we can go ahead and slide on the axle back portion. Once you have the entire exhaust system mounted, you can go ahead and start aligning as well as tightening the components down. Last but not least, we have their diamond black tip. And there you have it, the exhaust system's on the car. But since we had an active exhaust car prior, and this is not an active exhaust system, we're going to go ahead and have to install AWE's bracket, which is going to hold the motors in place so that we don't throw any check engine lights. The process is made super simple, and AWE even provides a bracket for you to hang them in the back of the car, which is a really nice touch to their system. Once you have the bracket installed with the motors, all you have to do is plug the harnesses back in, tuck up some wiring, and the car is ready to hit the road. It's important to note that this car also is equipped with Kooks Headers as well as their Green Cat connection pipe, so it is going to sound a little different compared to what you would hear on a stock car.
Alright, the AWE Touring Catback system with the diamond black tips is installed. The installation went very smooth, everything went on with no problems. Now it's time to hear how it sounds. That about wraps it up for the AWE Touring Edition Catback install on the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway Car. And remember guys, you still have an opportunity to win this car. All you've got to do is head on over to lethalperformance.com today. Any purchase you make, whether it be on aftermarket parts, accessories, or our awesome line of merchandise, gets you an entry to win this car. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here!